Hi classmates, my name is Chantel, and today I will be speaking on the topic of banning puppy mills. How many have you seen within the last few weeks on how just within the Riverside County, 100 dogs will be euthanized because of limited capacity in the shelters? This is a constant issue that, we as a community, as an entire, country and states overall have been having issues with. And I will be going in and speaking on why we should be banning puppy mills. Okay, so to start off, the overpopulated shelters, there's limited capacities. The reason for this being is because, many breeders who are not able to profit off of, the dogs that they are breeding, end up going to shelters or, just being out on the street and eventually are placed into shelters. With that being said, with the overpopulated shelters, it causes euthanization. If you don't know what euthanization is, it's putting dogs to sleep, whether they're healthy, whether they're not healthy, either or. It's just if they haven't been adopted, fostered, anything, they're caused to be euthanized. And like the topic says, overpopulated shelters, there's shortage of space because of how many individuals breed their dogs, and so there's no place for them to go at times, so they go into shelters, causing euthanization. And so according to the ASPCA, approximately 3.3 million dogs enter U.S. shelters every single year. Of those, approximately 670,000 dogs are euthanized. And so we believe that because of this high number of euthanization, dogs entering shelters is because of puppy mills. Dangerous puppy mills, dangerous breedings. And I just personally feel like that should definitely be illegal and something that should be taken very seriously. Okay. Continuing, dogs who are placed in shelters do become antisocial puppies because they are placed with other dogs, continuous barkings, scared, don't have, the attention that they should be getting. And also another big thing that puppy mills can cause is Parvo. Parvo is a very dangerous disease, and it's a very ill disease that can cause many dogs to pass away and to die, and it's just a repetitive, continuous thing that will just continue to go. And once a dog catches it, it's very difficult for them to overcome it. And so we noticed that a lot of puppy mills do cause parvo because of lack of sanitation. Okay, so for my second main point, I will be talking about the dangers of puppy mills towards the puppies and as well as the mother. So puppy mills can cause very dangerous factors into physical, mental, and health issues towards the puppies and the mother. And so it's very unsanitary, they are neglected, and at the end of the day, they will possibly be killed. More than likely the mom than the puppies. After repetitive cycles of having to force breed, having the mother to, be breeding her puppies, she's no longer useful to them to become a profit. So they eventually kill her, take her to a kill shelter or, just any shelter around them. And then mothers are not given breaks, the times that they need between every heat cycle that they have, which is either once or twice a month, or once or twice a year, I'm sorry. And as well, many puppy mills don't take care of their dogs, their animals, and so majority of the time the mothers are malnourished because of how much they are giving to their puppies. And at the end of the day, that can lead to death. To continue, the dangers to puppy mills and breeding is a lack of education. Many individuals don't further their education into this, meaning that they're just doing it irresponsible. It's a very irresponsible thing to do because without education on this topic, it can cause a lot of harm towards the puppies and the mother. An example is the dangers of it would be, bleeding, swollen paws. Majority of them are around wired cages, can cause damage to their furs, to themselves when they're scared, tooth decay because they are not taken care of, the benefits to them, ear infections, dehydration, and lesions of their eyes, causing them to be blind. And so I do have a few solutions based on the research that I did find to end puppy mills, and just off of, experience on trying myself to, take these precautions and trying to end puppy mills. Support your local shelter, adopt. There's always a saying that, adopt, don't shop. Just be more responsible towards it. There's very limited capacity in shelters, and the best thing that we can do is, adopt a puppy, adopt an animal from your local shelter. As it says right here, 6.3 million companion animal shelters enter, your local community shelter. And then as well as 98% of puppies sold in stores from your local Petco, PetSmart, or even inside the malls where they sell the puppies come from puppy mills. So, the best thing to do would try to adopt. Look online, signing petitions, to end puppy mills, to have stricter laws towards these. Sign a petition, and then also just trying to educate your community and your neighbors as well on the knowledge of puppy mills and how dangerous they are to others, as well as the community itself, because not only will it affect, the puppies and the mothers, the fathers, it can start affecting us as humans by causing the illness from them. Sometimes it won't be transferred necessarily, but the insanitation can cause diseases within ourselves as well. And so, education on puppy mills, and, just learning to not buy from, a puppy mill is very important. Try adopting. If you can, adoption will be the best solution. And then, of course, again, signing a petition. And then right here I have another picture here as to how you can end a puppy mill, what you can do. Puppy mill awareness days. We can, make more awareness on this. Adopt again. Speak out for those that don't have a voice. Animals don't have a voice, and I just feel like it's very important for us to speak on this topic, because they don't have a voice themselves. We do. We can speak on it, educate others, and then just insisting on adoption. And so that's the end of my presentation, and I really do appreciate you guys for hearing me out, listening, and I really hope at the end of the day that, you guys go out there and just try to do your best. Even if you can't adopt, signing petitions do help. I appreciate it. Thank you. Have a blessed summer. Take care. Thank you.